got a fun little project inside waiting for us. Let's go check it out. Jen here with Tint 360. I just wanted to show you guys and share with you one of my absolute favorite Tesla Model 3s that we have completed. Not completely done, but we're almost there. We did a chrome delete package on this midnight blue, which turned out absolutely amazing. So all of this was chrome and we wrapped it in a satin black. And I think the blue on and the black just really popped and looked absolutely incredible together. Ceramic coating is going on the wheels and brake calipers, which is going to help keep them fresh and clean while out on the road. All of this looking good. We're also throwing some black, the Tesla graphics and emblems. We are swapping those out with a satin black as well, so it's all gonna